Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing the series where I do 3 pros and 3 cons of a single essential oil, and today is peppermint. Peppermint is in the top 5 most used essential oils for us, especially for headaches, digestive issues, uplifting like before a workout, recovery for workouts like a massage after muscle relief type of oil. So we use it a lot, and I feel like it's up there with lavender, lemon, peppermint, frankincense, of course. So I wanted to share quickly 3 pros and 3 cons. Before we get started, I wanted to share my Apple Watch band again with you guys. It is my favorite. It is by BRAXLEY. I'll link it down below. It's super cute, stretchy, adjustable. They have so many different prints, and I've shared it before, but I wanted to share again. They always have sales. They also have bum bags or belt bags, whatever you want to call them, and I love them. So they're recycled, sustainable, so you guys should check them out. Pros: energizing, invigorating. Like I said, just take the bottle of peppermint and smell it before a workout. It is like awakening, invigorating to the 10. Like this is probably the top invigorating essential oil. Cool, minty, like fresh. So stimulating, helps wake up your mind, boost your energy levels. Inhaling, so you can make an inhaler with peppermint and whatever else you think that would help you, but it's so good. Refreshing, just helps you feel like revitalized. Digestive support is next, and I mentioned this too. It's in our tummy rollers. Ginger, peppermint, anise, like a bunch of different, maybe tangerine. I can't think of all of them, but the tummy roller works. I will say this until it doesn't. It works 100% of the time for all of us whenever we have any kind of digestive issue. I just had to go into the girls' bathroom and use theirs last night because I was upstairs. I had, it's right here. So this is their Happy Tummy. This is a Simply Earth super cute bottle. But anyways, I went out for dinner and we have been eating. We had like a July like no eating out goal, but we had one little thing that I did end up going out to eat, and it just wrecked my stomach. Am I just used to not eating all of these like oils and things that they use in restaurants or what? But I came home and I was like a wreck. I felt like a baby was kicking in my stomach, and I used the roller and like totally even forgot. I was like got distracted working, and I was like, wow, that it works 100% of the time. And if you want, I can put the recipe down below. Just let me know. But digestion support. So indigestion, bloating, nausea, diarrhea, upset stomach because you're nervous, anxiety, stomach ache, any kind of thing ever. And clockwise, your digestive intestines. I'll link where I've seen this before, but clockwise gets it going. Counterclockwise slows it because that is the natural flow of it. That's how it naturally works in your body. Anyways, pro number 3 is cooling relief. So for headaches, this is awesome because you get like the pain relief, but you also get the cooling effect when you do. I like to put peppermint around like the halo of my head, the hairline when I have a headache, and it really, really helps. I also put lavender, like copaiba, different. It's a blend, but peppermint is like the hero in the headache roller as well. And like I said, same with that cooling relief. Make a massage oil for a post-workout, like an icy hot, at-home type of icy hot DIY. It works amazing. With the 3 pros, we have 3 cons, and number 1 is skin sensitivity. So you always want to dilute peppermint essential oil. It is super, super potent, very warming, can like burn when you put it on undiluted. So make sure you dilute. I can put a dilution guide in this blog post too. If you guys are interested, let me know. In case I forgot, remind me. Avoid use near children and pets. I just did an essential oil video on babies and essential oils. Did I say that weird? I just did a video with babies let me start over. I just filmed a video about essential oils in babies, and peppermint is on the list of no-nos. Their tiny respiratory systems are just developing, and it can irritate their respiratory. So don't use peppermint or eucalyptus on babies. Pets also, can't think of a reason why I would ever need to use peppermint on Frankie or near her. We don't use oils topically on her unless we super like need to. I don't know if we've ever actually had to. Diffusing is mainly what we use them around her. No peppermint around children, pets, and make sure you dilute when applying topically. And con number 3 is that peppermint isn't recommended for people with certain conditions, and they are listed in the blog post. I'll put them down below too. But that is with all essential oils. I'm not sure if you knew this or not, but if you're on a certain medication, you might want to talk to an aromatherapist before using oils because they can have different reactions with each other. So that is the other one. Pregnant nursing should also just use with caution, and also just work with an aromatherapist if you are unsure. So it's like the freshest oil on the planet, super invigorating, so many really good benefits, but you need to use essential or peppermint safely. It's not like lavender. Like you could probably get away with just putting lavender on your skin undiluted, but with peppermint, you want to make sure you're using and erring on the side of caution. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you like to use peppermint for. Oh, I'll just add this. Another super big pro right now is it repels bugs. So we spray it on like the border of our house and outside and all of that too. But also use it diluted in that way, especially if you have pets or kids crawling around those areas too. That is it now. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.